Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain the procedure for applying flat roof in Autodesk Revit, which is a commonly used roofing system in residential, commercial and institutional buildings. To begin with, we first open the Revit project and make sure the required levels are already created. A flat roof is usually used at the topmost level of the building, such as the terrace or roof level. Once the levels are verified, we switch to roof plan view of the level for better accuracy. Next, we go to the Architecture tab on the ribbon and select the Roof tool. From the drop-down option, we choose Roof by Footprint, which is the most suitable method for creating flat roofs. Revit then automatically enters the sketch mode. In sketch mode, we define the roof boundary using tools such as pick walls or line tools. For flat roofs, we usually turn off the define slopes options for all boundary lines, as a flat roof does not have a steep pitch. However, a very small slope can be provided later for drainage if required. Now I am defining boundary lines. After defining the boundary, we select an appropriate roof type from the properties palette, such as a generic flat roof or concrete slab roof. The roof thickness and material layers can be modified by editing the roof types. Now I will explain the process of applying a pitched roof in Autodesk Revit. Go to the Architecture tab and select the Roof tool and then choose Roof by Footprint. The sketch mode is enabled, where we define the roof boundary using pick walls tools or boundary lines. We select the exterior walls to automatically create the roof outlines. After defining the slope, we select an appropriate roof type from the properties panel, such as tiled or metallic sheets or sloped concrete roofs. The thickness, material layers and insulation can be adjusted by editing the roof type. Once the sketch and the slope settings are verified, we click Finish to generate the pitched roof. We start by creating the flat roof. From the Architecture tab, we select the Roof tools and choose the Roof by Footprints. Using pick walls option, we define the boundary lines for particular area and we draw the boundary lines and click on Finish button to get a part flat roof. Just like that, we define a boundary lines for pitched roofs as shown. After both roofs are created, we check their alignment in 3D view. Adjustment to the roof height, offset or overlaps are made to ensure proper junction between the flat and pitched roofs. Additional elements like parapet, gutters and roof drainage system can be added to improve functionality. That's it.